In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a transparent background in Microsoft Designer. If you've ever needed a clean cutout of a subject to place on a presentation, a website, or a social post without a distracting backdrop, this is the fastest way to do it inside Designer. First, open Microsoft Designer and either start a new design or open an existing one. Bring in the image you want to edit by using My Media, then place it on the canvas. Click the image once to make sure it's selected. You'll see the image tools appear along the toolbar. Look for the option labeled Remove Background and click it. Designer's built-in AI will analyze your photo, remove the background, and isolate the main subject automatically. Give it a second to process, then take a quick look around the edges of the subject. Clean, well-lit photos usually cut out beautifully on the first try. If the result isn't what you expected, you can undo and run. Remove background again, or slightly reposition or resize the image and try once more. Small adjustments to the image placement can help the AI find the subject more confidently. The goal is to end up with just your subject on the canvas and no visible background. Once you're happy with the cutout, it's time to export it with a transparent background. Go to the top right corner and click Download. In the File Type options, choose PNG. This part is important because PNG supports transparency, while formats like JPEG do not. After selecting PNG, enable the option that says Make Background Transparent. With that switch turned on, click to download, and Designer will save your image without any background behind it. If you don't see the transparent option, it usually means the background wasn't successfully removed. Head back to the canvas, confirm the background is gone, and try the download again. You'll know transparency is set correctly when you see a checkerboard pattern behind your subject in some apps, or when you place the image over a colored or patterned background and the edges look clean. A few quick tips to get the best results. Start with the highest quality version of your image to preserve crisp edges in the PNG and keep an original copy of your project in case you want to tweak the cutout later. When you use the PNG in other tools, scale it down rather than up to avoid losing sharpness. That's it. You've removed the background and exported a transparent PNG in Microsoft Designer, ready to drop into any design.